We'll start our Easter egg by drawing a large oval, just like this. Hello, Beep. Oh, would you look at that? Accidents happen. But more importantly, how are you feeling? It's natural to feel that way. Accidents are a part of life. Would you like to hear a song about accidents, Beep? Accidents happen, we can move forward, forward. Say, we can move forward by using this crack as part of our egg decoration. Let me show you. Grab your art supplies so we can learn to draw together. Notice how the crack forms a zigzag line? We can work with that. Let's finish this zigzag line. And then draw another, just below. Remember, you can pause the video at any time to draw at your own pace. Beep! The crack was a great inspiration. Let's finish decorating our Easter egg. Next, we can add circles above the zigzag line. I like that. Let's add more circles below the zigzag line. Let's add a few more zigzag lines to finish decorating our egg. I'm excited too! We finished drawing our Easter egg. Now comes the fun part. We get to decorate our egg with color. I'll start with pink, but you can choose any color you like for your own egg. Purple goes nicely with pink. I'll choose that next. Orange for the dots. Blue for the zigzag line. Green for these dots. I'll choose yellow to finish coloring our egg. Beep! Would you use your magic to finish decorating our Easter egg? Incredible work, Beep! I'm grateful for your help today. Even though our egg was accidentally cracked, we moved forward by using the crack as inspiration for our decoration. Accidents happen, we can move forward, forward. I enjoyed drawing with you today. See you soon!